Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Dream Lab Easy Guide. Open Canva, click Dream Lab, and start a new project to create AI visuals immediately. Type a concise prompt that mentions style, colors, and subjects to guide the AI. Adjust aspect ratio, resolution, and iterations for refinement. Use the preview to pick your favorite output, then edit elements, add text, and export your final image easily for social posts and presentations. Start with a clear single idea and describe the subject, mood, and colors you want. Mention styles like watercolor, neon, or minimalist to steer the generator toward a particular look. Add details about composition, focal point, or background elements to reduce unwanted variations. Keep prompts concise and iterative, refining them after each generation. Save promising prompts in a note so you can reproduce or tweak them for consistent branding. After generating images, refine them with Canva's familiar editing tools to achieve a polished result. Crop and reposition elements, adjust colors and contrast, and use layers to combine visuals with text or icons. Replace backgrounds or remove unwanted artifacts using built-in tools. Test different export settings for web or print to keep quality high. Keep organized by naming your versions and grouping assets in folders for fast access later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.